Disaster! Diva Marasa! Boys, they don't trust drugs, boys. She's what? Watch out, no! Ande, Vakashanta. So, ande, it is a Vakashanta. So, ande, it is a Vakashanta. Mansaro wane kuka. Uma street wano kuka. Prophetic kuda kwashi. Wazo tumana ishe. Kutuwaniza kuna Jesus. So, they to drug easy.
Welano! It's Godfrey! I want to say, did you so on? Chipaz, you got you so on. Chipaz, you got you so on. How you gonna catch you eat a rat and you know catching you with another guy Chipaz? You want to disaster. I want to say, did you so on? The captain that got one number ready. The got to see what one new week. You got to put up a hat and this city. I want to say,
disaster! Diva Marasa! Wachano, nika nichakutanga, yotanga na Jesus. Apagaya ndiri kutonasi, nakandana na kuye tipasi. Upana waita murukasi, comrade wangu Prophet Jose. Wanze kutia muwa kanise, watu mana mara wanise. Niko vino bauza muwa chipi.
Chichi, pamba chipa sinema jaksi. Ei batu kuza imama. Kuzi doa rutuma kucha. Wako ya chipa masina kukucha. Usipafanya hiyo kwenye maucha. Ataingia kuna kurucha.
Chizwa, disaster. Chizwa, disaster. Wachano, wemarasa. Nikatikuda pashe, diye profeti. Anishipo kufura kwenyeti. Mataka wesa mu basketi. Musaro wa madrasi. Wanomaro wa karo matrosi. Komanda wa malosi, wano vita mabosi. Eko vinoto wa bilisa fanika kasi. Wana madikete nosi ya wane pashi.
Chizwa, awachanose. Ndakakozo kuti kwane ngwere. Tikatireka tichitemere. Because ini antisi kwere. Musakasireka tienderera. Because ini tinototosera. Tinotona nako.
Wakatumanashe, dozitinashe, kunzanunashe, kanaruarashe, vanapanashe, profeti, dokumbira chipo chifure chegonyeti, kukuma Fantan, nekwe kulatani, kuna Godfatha, asi my mother, dine chipo chinofura kufula lata, na goti nata, sisi machiki, wake kumangoma kuzi na kushiki, nikona kufura, oyo wapatae.
Amana, thank you so much for coming, Amana, for day one, your registrations. Cup Clash Zimbabwe 20 December. Afana wangu, ndaona wajinji walipana hapa, mamusu tunazo sunda afana wangu. Ukono siku jambi sana walipana hapa, zio tukusuwache uo, jangulele mafuti. Ndukunya mbira afana wangu. Andi tatili mnano zonza feverwa, owaita sei. Ukataza kufanza mano, mawana kuduwa mguzo nae. Saka mapuwa chance, you could prepare until 20 December. Gatsirema chuna kaipa, gatsirema lines akaipa. Bamwacha wana mbili through my videos. I actually post on us. And it's over now. So I can take advantage of that. Gatsirema machune, prepare. Last year Cup Clash Zimbabwe naka wina state. Up to wakakulonzo juu, kuton broko. My bad over now. So be serious. Music industry is very powerful, and the music industry is rich. And stay away from my drugs of honor. That's what we're going to next Friday.